I'm
what do you
here.
want me to say? You're gonna say everything.
We're gonna improvise. Okay.
Okay.
So I'm here. I am at Pioneer Smokehouse, and this is Mark. He is the owner, and he is one of our first sponsors for the 2023 car show. So, something quick about your business, Mr. Mark.
Sure. Yeah, we're excited to have the car show in town. We've been here about 4 years now, cooking up good barbecue, burgers, nachos, all kinds of good stuff. So when you come in for the car show, be sure to stop by Pioneer Smokehouse. We'll get you hooked up with some great food, cold beers.
Yes, right across the street, and this is Pioneer. Check it out, and that's Mark. Thanks for watching, and thanks for being a sponsor.